Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 27th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. Now, first thing first, the most important thing, as always, is that the monthly trend is up, the weekly trend is up, the daily trend is up, and because of those reasons, I am doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend. I wanted to say that first because I do have a 1 hour analysis that potentially would have us going down. To me, this looks like a potential five ways down, like a wave A. This looks like a potential like irregular wave B, especially with these Fibonacci levels that it went to. And it looks to me like it potentially could go down and make a C. Now, I will not be trying to sort it, but if it does go down, I will definitely be trying to go long for the continuation of the uptrend at the end of an ABC correction. Why will I not be sorting it? I will not be sorting it because every higher time frame is up. That it means that this wave C is very unpredictable and it may not even happen. It may make a higher low, it may make a higher low, it may make a higher low, it continue to make higher lows and just keep going up. Counter trend trading when every single higher time frame is in an uptrend is a very dangerous game. So I hope that it goes down for a wave C, but I definitely will not be trading, trying to trade to the downside. I will patiently be waiting to go long at the end of an ABC correction for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.